Alright, so the time has come for me to give away this badass quad right here. So I've been flying it. It's flying awesome. It's an awesome little quad. I would highly recommend this frame, of course. Why wouldn't I? But no, seriously, like, I've flown a ton of micros. I mean, just so many. I mean, just look at my YouTube channel. Just go back and look at all my videos. I mean, not including just the ones with a dude's name in it, in the title, you know, because most of those are the builds that I did for other people that, you know, I didn't really fly. And there is some of those that I did fly with permission from them, you know, because for the most part, I don't like flying other people's quads, the builds that I do for them, besides like a quick test hover, because, you know, I can't afford to replace a whole quad if I was to crash it or have a flyaway or lose it and down the street or something, you know. I mean, that's the main reason. And the other reason is, you know, I want to keep it brand new for whoever it is. But so, you know, I would still consider this one being brand new, since I've only flown it maybe 5 times total. 2 times on 3S and a few times on 4S. On 4S, it was just so awesome. It ripped so hard. Actually, you know what? I need to do something real quick. Just want to make sure all 4 motors spin. My crash, it was a big crash. It didn't even put a scratch or nothing in the frame. I mean, the frame was just perfect. Even the TPU is still perfect. There is nothing on this thing. It looks brand new, but I crashed hard into a deck and every single prop was just mangled. So let me hit arm real quick. Okay, cool. Alright, so it's good to go. Yeah, I was trying some new tricks. I don't even know what I was doing. Like, I think I was upside down. I don't even know what I was trying to add yaw into, like, my normal movements, you know, because, like, usually I'll do, like, a nice big, what the hell is that called? Power loop? Yeah, I'll do a big power loop, you know, and I'll do some rolls and some flips, but I was trying to incorporate some yaw in with my flips. And like I wasn't high enough, I guess, and just next thing I knew, bam! It was so loud too. It like echoed and shit. But yeah, it slammed into my neighbor's deck in his backyard and mangled every prop, but didn't hurt the frame at all, which is kind of weird. But anyway, let's talk about the stack real quick. So it is the Hobbywing F4. It's got the 20 amp 4-in-1 F4 flight controller. The filtering is very good. Their BECs are good on there. The video looks nice and clear, clean. And it was very easy to solder to, very easy. So it's a very good stack. You can see how well it fit inside of here with this side skirt with the AKK FX3 on top. Yeah, it's just perfect. So whoever gets this, I'm jealous because I would love to keep this thing. I'm gonna have to build my own. Yeah, it's a nice 3-inch. It can be flown on 3S or 4S. It is 4500 kV motors, so you know 3S is still good. It's got real good power on 3S. It's very manageable. So for somebody that's like newer but not brand new, you know, and is wanting to, you know, start doing more and maybe go a little faster and whatnot, 3S on this is just perfect for you. And then if you just like insane power, you know, 4S, this thing just rips. And the awesome thing about it is because these are 1306s, on a 650, it's not going to just suck the battery down in 2 minutes. You know, you're going to get a longer flight and your batteries aren't going to come down warm, or your motors. The motors didn't get even warm. So yeah, pretty awesome little setup right here. I would definitely recommend these motors with this stack and the VTX. I love that VTX. Some people have issues with getting noise in the video, but it just all depends on where you're wiring everything up, you know. Sometimes you got to use a separate BEC or a Pololu or a LC filter or whatever, you know. You got to do whatever you got to do to make your video look good. Like I was saying before, you know, this is a good VTX. Even if it did put out dirty video, I would still do whatever I could to try to clean it up because the VTX is so good. You know, I would never dismiss this VTX just because it didn't put out clean video feed, you know. I mean, I'm wondering if it's the 5-volt out on here, because I don't ever use that. So anybody that is getting dirty video on this AKKFX3 Ultimate and you're using the 5-volt out to run to your camera, maybe try running the camera power to the flight controller, because that's what I do, and my video always looks pretty good. Anyway, alright, so this is what I'm going to do. Just leave a comment, and shit, I don't know. I'm going to use the YouTube random comment picker. So you need to leave a comment, but I don't really care what you say. You can tell me to go to hell, or you can tell me you love my channel, or you love this quad, or ask me a question, or whatever. I don't care what it is. Just leave a comment, and only leave one. Yeah, only leave one comment. And I will, let's see, today is Tuesday. I'll pick the winner on Sunday. This coming Sunday. Let's say noon Pacific time. This Sunday, let's see, that would be the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the 9th. Yeah, Sunday the 9th at noon Pacific time. So leave one comment, and you'll be entered to win this nice quad. I'll cover shipping in the US. If it's outside the US, you'll have to cover shipping, but I would say that it's definitely still worth it for you to have this beautiful quad. Alright, thank you everybody for watching my channel. I really appreciate it. I know the certain people that are always commenting and always supporting me. I appreciate you guys more than you know. You know, otherwise I'd just be doing this channel for no reason, and I love doing these videos. So alright, thanks guys. I also want to thank Airblade for designing this frame with my name on it. Really appreciate that. It's just so awesome to have that. And I love the frame. It's just perfect just how it is. So thanks for that. And the other thing is thank you to Hobby Wing, because you know, I wouldn't even be giving this quad away if they wouldn't have sent this stuff for me to put on it to give away. And they were very happy to let me do that. They seem pretty awesome over there. So thank you, Hobby Wing. Thank you, Airblade. Thanks to all my viewers. And good luck. All right.